Oh my goodness. Hey, Mike. How's it going? I haven't seen you in so long.
I know. Hi, Alicia. It's so good to see you. It's been a while. I think the last time we got together, we were talking a little bit about Studio Fix powder.
I know. That feels like forever ago. So what have you been up to?
You know, I have been working from home, my office and home in the same place, and I have been playing with some really awesome products and getting my hands dirty as a makeup artist as much as I possibly can. What about you? I see that you are maybe mid-makeup right now.
I totally am. I am like literally just doing my finishing touches. And probably the most important step, I'm putting on my concealer under my eyes right now.
Ooh, concealer under the eye is, I think, the most important step. It's that sort of like magic moment at the end of a makeup that really makes everything come together. It brightens the face and it really makes everything look finished.
Totally. And I mean, you know, my under eyes are probably my biggest area of challenge. And
Yes.
I absolutely adore the 24-hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer. It is by far my favorite, especially in like a peachy undertone to get rid of my circles really easy. And what I like to do is like throw it on my face, give it a minute to bulk up so I can get some coverage, but I'm not using a ton of product, and then blend it on out, and it's like night and day. I'm obsessed with it.
I love that tip. I'm also obsessed with this concealer. I've actually got some with me right now. I love them. You know, what I love about this concealer so much is that they come in this really broad range of color. So you've got things from the lightest pale, sort of golden or peach tone all the way through something super beautiful and rich, and they come in these sort of half-step shades, which is really exciting because if you've ever had a hard time matching yourself with a concealer or getting it just right to cover your unique discoloration under the eye, these concealers have that middle tone that you can really utilize to really target your specific skin tone.
I agree. I absolutely love the shade range here, and especially for me, like I'm a little more olive, but I need that peachiness to cancel out that depth under my eye that if someone finds a cure for dark circles, I will be on a test panel, like whatever you need, I'm here for it. But yeah, I love that they give you all those different tones. I also love the applicator. Like it really allows me to get into every nook and cranny and be strategic with where I'm placing it, so I'm not using too much product, because it can be a slippery slope with concealer. Like you want your coverage, but you don't want so much that it just like is everywhere on the face and you look really, really made up, or at least that's not what I'm looking for.
Yeah, I agree with you 100%. And in that conversation about coverage with concealer, I know that for me personally, as I get into my late 30s here, I'm discovering some more fine lines under my eyes that weren't there before. And sometimes concealer can have that bunching quality under the eye, or it starts to sit in places that you don't want. What I love about the 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer is that it really creates a really beautiful glide and slip over the skin to create a really nice texture. But also, if I'm feeling like I don't want as much coverage, I pull out the Magic Elixir Fix Plus. We know it, we love it. If you've got a little bit too much product, if you're seeing a little bit of texture, I like to just give a quick spritz under my eye with a tap with the ring finger, no brush needed, and you're good to go, which I really love. This is sort of my go-to every time I'm getting my skin together.
Yeah, I literally just blended that out, and I feel like I'm now awake. I'm an alive person, and it does. It looks so smooth under the eye. I do like to set mine a little bit with some Studio Fix powder, but otherwise, like, I'm good, and this is locked and loaded all day long.
Listen, Alicia, I don't think that we need a cure for dark circles, because I think we found it with Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer, a little Studio Fix powder, and of course, some Fix Plus.
Absolutely. I mean, they're gone. It was so nice talking to you, Mike. I miss you so much, and I can't wait to see you soon.
I hope that day comes sooner rather than later, and I hope you have a great day. You look great, and it was so nice to see you again.
You too. Bye.
Bye.